welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing explosion box. It's a Christmas explosion box for Christmas in July because we're the last week, so I have to get out all my Christmas in July stuff, and it is the cutest box ever. Let's make it.
Hi guys! So an explosion box obviously has a couple of steps. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to build your actual box. Then you're going to layer the entire thing, and then we're going to decorate the inside. So this first step is building the box. So to build the box, you need a piece of cardstock, preferably a really good quality piece of cardstock that is 12 by 12. And you need a piece for the top of the box that's 6 1/8 by 6 1/8. So you're going to take your 12 by 12 sheet of paper and score all the way down on 4 and 8, and then you're going to turn it and score again on 4 and 8. Then you're going to take your 6 1/8 and 6 1/8 and score it all the way around at 1 inch. Now you have both pieces scored 4 times. I'm going to fold and burnish on all the score lines. So I've folded and burnished on all my score lines, and now I'm going to do some cutting. I'm going to cut the top of the box first. So for the top of the box, you're just cutting up one side and cutting off a little piece like this from this side and this side. Right, so we cut this one. Now we're going to cut this one, but we're going to turn it and cut it the same way. So like that, and like that. So your paper should look like this. And now for this piece, we're gonna cut off some of the ends. I'm gonna use my paper cutter to do some of the cutting because I want it to be really exact. So 3 of the ends I'm gonna cut like this. I'm gonna cut from here to here. And I'm going to leave one, so my paper looks like this. Now I'm going to cut up one of these, and that's it for this cut. Then I'm going to cut this one like so. And I'm going to turn it and cut the opposite side to the one I cut like this, like so. All right. Then I'm going to cut this one. Right. So your paper should look like this and like this. I'm going to bring back in one of the pieces that I cut off, and I have this one whole. Right, now let's do some sticking. Before we stick for these two, we have to do some decorating, because once we stick these parts down like this, we can't get in there to decorate it. So let's just decorate these two only, and then we'll finish. So these two are going to have a gorgeous green on the inside. So I'm going to stick this down. Right, so it looks like this so far. Now I'm going to run a line of glue down here, fold this in and hold it down so it sticks really well, and I'm going to run a line of glue once again just down here only, and I'm going to fold it and stick it in like this. So we've made a pocket. Then on this side I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to run a line of glue just at the bottom only, fold it and stick it in. And now, because we use that flap to go here, we're going to bring in another flap like this, and this time I'm going to run a line of glue here and here, turn it around, and we're going to stick it down here, making sure it's very flush with the entire box itself. And you should have, I'm just going to take a white piece of paper just to ensure that I have a full pocket, 2 pockets, perfect. Now let's build the top of our box. So you're going to mark this up. So one piece is going to be bigger than the other piece, see that? So now we're going to put this on the inside, and now it's flush, so we're going to stick this on the inside of this one. So we're going to put glue all over here. You're going to put a generous amount of glue because you really want it to stick well. And hold it down. Better yet, turn it this way and use your bone folder to just stick it down really well. So now you have your room box. Right, now let's stick the top. We're going to put glue on the outside here and make sure this lines up perfectly with this, like so, and then hold it down. You can use a close clip to hold it while you stick the other sides. Alright, so this is dry, and I'm going to just mark it up to make sure that my cover is fitting on my box. So I have it like this, and it should fit perfectly on the box like so. So there's hardly any space. There's a little 1/8 of an inch wiggle room, but we're going to put layers on the inside here, so that will fill it up really nicely. Alright, so let's get started decorating our actual box. We're going to put the flooring in first. It's a really thick piece of cardstock that will hold really well. You want to make sure these are raising up fine when you put in your flooring, so nothing is sticking on each other. Alright, then we're gonna decorate the wall. So I have 2 of these, and this is for the wall. Alright, so this is gonna fit down here like this, and this is gonna fit above here like so. Now the other side. Now we're going to decorate here. We're going to mark this up first to make sure we like how it looks. So I like the idea of the whites being against each other and then these colors being like this. You can choose to use it a different way if you like. It's really dependent on your personal taste. So you could do it like this, or you can do it like this, where they do it the same way, but I tend to like when it looks like it's drawing a line, so that's how I'm going to do it. Make sure and get these close to the edges because this has to stick really well. Right, so our box is pretty much decorated on the inside. Let's go for the outside now. So you're going to turn this like this. We have a lot of decorative pieces for here. We're sticking this to this. Like so. And then you're finding the way that you like how it looks upright. And then you're sticking this to this like so. And then I'm going to keep doing that. So your box should look like this now. And now for the cover. we finished the box. It looks gorgeous. It fits really well because we put the layers on and everything. Now we're gonna do the inside and the decorations to the top of the box. I printed all these and now I'm just going to cut them out. And now I'm gonna start actually building the box. So I have made some cards for the inside, which I'm gonna stick down now. So these are to fit inside the pockets. One is just a simple sentiment saying Merry Christmas. And one is actually a miniature card. So this is actually like a little miniature card, so cute. So we have two of these for 2 pockets. Now I'm going to build my window. I'm going to mark it up to see what exactly I want to see through my window. I'm going to put these nice big bows next to my fireplace. I'm going to build my poinsettias for the top of the actual box. Let's build a tree, and in the meantime we could also build our pocket decor. So this is the decor to go at the top of the pocket of the card. It's just a really nice decorative piece that you could finish, and it looks really nice when it's all put together. And right now let me build my tree. It's really easy to build a tree. You're going to take each one of these and you're going to fold it in half. I'm just going to score it first because it's easier to fold when you score it first. So forward like this, you're going to fold it directly in half, and then you're going to actually stick all of these halves together like this. So 1, and you keep doing that. Now I'm going to finish the star, and I'm going to fold 3 stars in half and stick them together the same way I stuck the trees together. And when you finish, it looks like this. I literally just put a piece of string around it. It took 8 trees, 3 stars, and I just put a small round at the bottom so it'll be easy to stick on. And it stands up for itself. It's so simple and beautiful, and it's a really easy way to get a 3D looking tree. Now we actually get to put it all together. It's gonna be so cool, guys. Okay, so I am gonna get started with the inside of the box first, and then we're gonna put everything together for the outside. So this is how the inside of our box looks. It's very plain now, and that's because we do have all these decorations inside there. We're gonna stick everything down now. We're gonna do the walls first, then the inside, then the outside here. So let's get started immediately. Let's do this wall first, and this is the wall that we're gonna put the fireplace on. See, it looks so beautiful with the little stuff in the pockets. It's so cute. All right. While we wait on my hot glue gun to warm up to do the inside of this, I'm gonna do the top of this. Alright, we're going to stick the sleeve back so that you can see the rug really pretty. And then we're going to stick 1, 2, 3 gifts right here, right? That's how you're going to mark it up. So that's how we're going to stick it down. Always mark it up first so that, hey guy, why are you stealing my clothespins? My son is here stealing clothespins. Go ahead, you can take it. You're gonna have to excuse my glue gun, and my glue gun is well loved and well used. Right, so you're gonna put a whole bunch of hot glue, right, and then you're gonna turn it over. Thank you, buddy. If you want to know how to do these cubes, I have a tutorial on how to make them. This is a little small and the 1 by 1 cube. This is actually a 3/4 by 3/4 cube. But I also show you how to work out any size cube. So yeah, you can check that out. How cool is this, guys? All the drama in the world. I mean, could you imagine getting this for Christmas? Like, this is your Christmas card. Yeah, this is what card makers give for Christmas. So let's go.
Thanks so much for joining me while we made this amazing explosion box for Christmas. I hope you really enjoy the process of making this. It takes a little while, but it's amazing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. Merry Christmas in July!